You like problem. And when you're done, just like oh you say, who I go say Tina never say anything bad. When Tina mentioned about Tikiana, Tina said that Tikiana was moving shady ever since Tikiana talked to Karen. That thing gone, and here's a liar woman. Look on the message where you put up about Tikiana. People may I go tell you know when me think because I don't talk to Tikiana. I have nothing against Tikiana. I respect her as a black queen. She do her own thing. I have no grudge. I have no hate. Me and Tikiana, we never have a problem before. Enough love, 100% respect. You know, have to talk up to somebody to show your love. You remember when the peace treaty in Canada, that was the very day I started follow Tikiana page. I always see Tikiana do her little things and so. She came out and Tikiana had done a live that the apology is not sincere. And she went at the end of the apology, she said, Tina Chin, when you gonna apologize? Because and she even laughed and said, I know your apology is gonna be sincere. When I look back to the time, if you can go on Tikiana page, I say I was gonna send my admin go look. Because it would be there because Tikiana is not a person who do live what she have to delete. That would be about in that time. And if you look on it, Tina went to the girl. And I have a clipping in my phone where somebody called Tina and asked Tina. You could see when Tina says Tikiana reach out to her. She reached out to Tikiana acting like she want Tikiana to advertise. And if you notice, because I have it on my page, if you notice what you sent for Tikiana for advertise, it did not open. It did not open. Tikiana never opened it. She reached out to the girl and you tell that line. No. Tina, when you're going to talk about you like to body shame people, and in all due and in all respect, people means not a lesbian, but Tikiana look better than you. She look stronger and she look healthier than you. Nobody can hungry at Jamaica. Nobody cannot hungry the Jamaica. Tikiana, allow the girl alone. You're too wicked. Una like to feel like so una can downgrade people. Y'all are gonna call the girl scammer. Oh, Tikiana, have you ever sent Tikiana a send for you to call somebody and label? And you say she beg you. Tina, me not hear number on the voice note them. What if begging voice note there? She wouldn't beg you. She would never have to beg you. Because the girl do her little thing. You're too bad mind. That's all you do. Go around and friend people and use them because you know say Tikiana is somebody she have to say anything you say. You think you could have get her. You're too bad mind. And you're too lie. How you are gonna say, come here, another thing, Tina, let me tell you something now. Bear this in mind. None of your three daughters them. Them not good looking and them not rich. Me no have no reason screenshot. I don't even want you pick me them page. Nothing of them you pick me them for sure because them not good looking and them not rich. You think me not have nothing better to do? Do you think I don't have about trolling? What troll uno? You black out everybody and have fake page and watch them. You black everybody and have fake page and watch them. You not see how God beat you? Tina, God and life and time is against you. Because after you sit down, last week Sunday 7 hours, you're not going to get that money. When you did come, let me tell you now, because you must think. You did strike me already and clear Marian Walters at sitting under that gmail.com. You strike my page and claim the $33. Me never come out here come talk. Me leave you with the $33 because I know you are hungrier than I. Because if you forget up and come on live in a big Sunday and a name popcorn like when Haga name shit, and I go say you're hungry but you cook, you're careless. Don't tell any lie on me. Don't do it. Do not tell any lie. When you did meet Dan the lady over here, the same way you did want the lady figure my picnic them school. The lady where you going on messenger when your sister she come from Curacao. And when you did want she got to the school and my picnic them. So poor lady they go pies and my picnic them. And you a troll me and my picnic them. And you troll me get up one before they figure piss. And all know me frightened. See you there on live and you bubble gum. How me? I troll your daughter and I make care your daughter like you share your father thief in money with me. And you trouble me. And you say you're not trouble. You trouble Tikiana. You trouble Tikiana. You said she go meet up with Karen and she move shady and your black car. Are you trouble Tikiana? I know you're gonna say you're not trouble girl. And you big dirty nasty thinking people them over the Eliza Coleman and one, but you trouble the girl because you say the girl a move shady. The girl not take nothing from her and she teach Sharika $50 off the heart to sit down and ask who name Sharika. But the whole of them come in her inbox. Lie she tell. Me can hold up my hand. The man of England I do ever want to call him name out here and nothing. The man of England she go look to the man for interview when Dexter Pattinger dead. Cause the man show same thing she did do. Why you never show? You say your iPhone. Why are you reach out to the woman? Judgment I take care already, you know. That's why I'm not doing an argument with you out here, you know. I just don't want you tell no lie for me about Karen. Tell me nothing because me not know none of your three daughter, them not really all that, them not good looking, them not rich, them not educated, them not famous, nothing. So me no want nothing to do with your daughter. You're too out of order. You go call the girl scammer, y'all go talk about say the girl look at the girl want house to you. You can't if you can't build house to yourself, you can't support people for them to build house. You're out of order, you know. You're out of order. How you going to the woman inbox and you tell you me want to know the woman will call you and ask you. And when she see Tiki and a message them. Me want to know how she feel. Everybody, me never see you. I know me frightened because I know what you accuse me of. Say I'm me with Carol when me don't know who is Carol. Me never talk to Carol. And you sit down over there and I tell lie pa everybody and when time people come out now and talk things. You are gonna say you know this and you know that. And everything you mix up the woman a Jamaica name in her. Everything you mix up the woman, every God. Well, you're gonna come talk about the woman for come out. When the woman for come out for contact. But when Tiki and behavior, you know always see people behavior. I don't know see Funo. Uno always, me say, uno always. See people behavior and uno no see Funo. Uno always want to cow down people for them opinion. I like yesterday somebody draw me attention to something. Remember one blogger used to out here upon Lady V. Oh, Lady V never come out here come say this. And oh, Lady V never did for this. And oh, Lady V. And yesterday, me hear say that the blogger, the cuss one, the blogger, all gone in the blogger bedroom. Me say, what you they say? They say yes, cuss and this up one blogger to the ground. The same thing with them did I tell Lady V and Lady V. They out here Lady V in a mix up and they never stop. But yet still you did do it. Nobody never tell us an appear and password him rent. All that the lie the way y'all I got tell. Another thing, let me say this openly. Me I go just call her Master Baker. Cause when people no love bangarang, you know, forget them in a bangarang. Because I say, we all know say, that me them not go mad talk about the Miss Vanilla she. Because I say, she them in a summer, then the people they not dealing a mix up or something. Master Baker is a woman. We know say she got along with herself and sitting. And I must to tell you this. If you are really 56, I'm frisky, so me no want to know you went and you did 24. So when you're 24, you was snake. And this woman that do them thing, and the woman, everybody knows say them people they went and then come, them drink, them wine, them stand up and them do them look or something. Only if you hear this woman I go come out and say, only if you hear this lady, this dirty girl, I go come out and say, lady, my backside, this dirty girl, I go come out and say, Master Baker drink wine. The two of them, but me say Master Baker, because Master Baker a fair one. Me no racist, vanilla, but enough respect. Master Baker a fair. Say Master Baker drink. You ever hear Master Baker ever come out here yet and cuss nobody and class, nobody don't. Master Baker go on with herself. We all know that she bake up and she go on with herself. All know me no don't get me cake them from her, but me not in trouble her. Because I say, me no want Master Baker. Me know say my foot no good and Master Baker more frisky than me. Give her what due to her. And me no want she go king pupa lick chew over and take up her pipe and bust to her for me so. All the cake Master Baker, me I wave my white flag with you. Cause me sister you well frisky. See Master Baker party. Until Master Baker do you know, she have ambition. Master Baker got party go wind up in her baking clothes. Master Baker original baker man. She original baker. Them thing them like in her uniform and she go enjoy herself. How you did have in the bag Master Baker? How you did have in the bag? Master Baker look like she go look shopping, you know, she go buy a little raisin and thing and she just stop a one party and enjoy herself. Enough respect. And you come out and you tell lie on the people them. Then one of the time you say the people them call over Canada. And so me come out and own it, you know. Just when the people them a launch them slippers line, you know. Me say Tina bad mind, Tina bad mind, Tina bad mind and workless. Tina bad mind, Tina no want get earn no money. And Tina don't want no but just when the people them I saw me come out and make you know say I mean you know. Cause she say oh the people them go contact Canada. Me say no it's me. Then she come out again. Me come out, me never say nobody can me no move with people. Me never did a move with people there, and me not move then, and me not move with people now. And me call her and password. And me call her and password. She finally mix up everybody and me tell her and password say tell Tina say and me, Janice and Marie Foster Kingston 13 call you. And it look like the man tell her, she come out and say, and me call the man. She come out and say, when the man asked me how me get him number, I said to the man, say, good source, this is the internet. You can get anything you want. Master Baker, no, Master Baker got the party. Master Baker got join the party. She got join the party. Look like she a cup. Master Baker look like she got buy quarter pound of rice, quarter pound of rice and half pound of flour. Cause the bag never look too big, but she was shopping. You can see that she had a shopping bag. Master Baker had a shopping bag. Give her what you to her. She got buy quarter pound of rice and her fruits, but something in the baking because she have on her baking uniform. Respect her for that and go enjoy herself. You're too wicked, man. You go disrespect the girl and I go call the girl about this and Lindsay and that's up for the girl for call you New York mattress. Suppose the girl for call you out here cause people went and they tell you about now your ball out say and everything you come take up your picnic them and put night you go like you're picnic them value and no put where you out here do no well not somebody picnic. No well no Miss Jennifer one boy picnic. No well no Jennifer one boy picnic all out you know you want label your label Chris no you want come label no well. You think I you delete the live when you realize you think me say wait. Another thing myself, me listen, me don't know who listen to the live where Vanilla them do one night here. The lady never said she have no family, I represent her as liar, you know, Tina, liar, wicked enough. What the lady said, you need to listen, you should have stay in school. When them send you go to school, you should have go to sit down on bench, you should have go to sit down on cock. What it look like, now what it look like to what I get, if anybody would I get. Vanilla have a brother-in-law who is a liar. I'm going to give you a joke. One time, you know, me and one woman did have something. And at that time, I never divorced as yet. And I called my husband. And I asked him, because I say if my box her in her face, I go meet her at the bus stop and box her in her face. And if my box her in her face, she go gas station, but then I have no proof to say my box her in her face, so I go say a lie. Because I don't want nobody lock me up. I call my husband and I say to him, say, if you back somebody in them face, you can go to jail. And him said to me, say, Kumpalaga you mean, I never forget, Kumpalaga you mean, of course. And him said to me, say, Kumpalaga. So at least me go seek anything what me I do, me make sure me ask him, can you go to jail for this? Can you get this? This what me if you owe debt, can it put a hold on your permit? Also, you go. Well, if I am going to get arrested or me do something, him cannot decide whether I'm going to stay yes or no. It has to be another person. So anyway, what Vanilla was talking and what I get to understand, if anybody have understanding, her brother-in-law is a liar. You know, there are certain things like if picture go out, if me post your picture or what have you, not there are certain things that you cannot. So we all know that with social media what is going on, and it is very hard to build a case. When even without social media, you cuss me cuss you, it will only lead up to a mediation. So she was advised by the brother-in-law. They were advised by the brother-in-law. Then after that, they obtained 2 lawyers. She was informed by the brother-in-law and with step to take the necessary steps, and she obtained 2 lawyers. At no time did this lady said she was going to, because and maybe them have, you know, when you have business done in America, because they stated that they have never lost a case in court. So I guess them would have at no time, because people know it will be conflict of interest. At no time did that lady said, any one of them said that them family member is gonna represent them. And this big sour herpes front drunkro sit down and go panna when Tina should not do some work. Tina should have on some scrub or do some work. I go sit down and I go come out and say the people them say them family. The people them never say so drunk. Them never say so. None of them never say so. Even though them in a talk, you have to understand before you come out there, use your big thinking mouth, because you know, and the money you don't have you don't have nobody to support you. You don't even have a picnic where you have a house where you can go in and go deck. Nothing you don't have. Big woman like you get up with picnic. So we at the you talk about your picnic. Oh, you don't know if you live for them, if you have example, for set certain example for you. You think you are talk about people that listen to me. You are talk about people that troll your picnic them. So when you sit down per life and a go on, it not affect your picnic them. It not affect your picnic them. Let me tell you something. There are certain things I may not do. There is certain things what I do not do.